Good day viewers, you are welcome. Let's see how we can solve these functional equations. We have f of x plus 4 equals x squared plus 3x. And this is the easiest functional equations I've been solving so far. So let's see a solution from here. So what we are going to be applying here is substitution method, as we have a domain here. Our domain here is given as x plus 4. Then suppose we let this domain, which is x plus 4, if I let it equals another letter, suppose I choose letter t. So which shows that when I make this x the subject of the relations, we have our x equals t minus 4. So let's come back to the given questions. That is, our x plus 4 now is now our t. And anywhere we see x, we are going to replace it with t minus 4. So this implies that our f of x plus 4 is now f of t equals, so our x squared now is t minus 4 squared, then plus 3 into bracket of t minus 4. Then let's try and expand this out. So t minus 4 squared, so this is in the form of t squared minus, so just like we expand it 2 times, minus 8t plus 16, then here is plus 3t minus 12. Then from here we have our f of t equals t squared, so minus 8t plus 3t, that is minus 5t, and here is 12 and 16 minus 12, that gives us plus 4. So we have this as a quadratic equations. So what I want us to know here is, for every t here, so t and x, they are the same. So since we have to find f of x, and this is in terms of t, so by replacing it we have t and x which are the same. Then we are going to write f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 4. And this is the answer to this problem. So from the first term, which is from the questions, we have an incomplete equations, which is f of x plus 4 equals x squared plus 3x. So this is missing a constant term. Let's just say k. So it shows that for every f of x plus 4 here, so which does not have these constant values, so for f of x, so that one we have a constant values. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.